YouTube, it is Meaghan here of DM Adventures. I am currently in Kathmandu, Nepal. We are in Nepal for our wedding and I am currently at Yak and Yeti. So I'm staying here up until the wedding happens and my mother is actually arriving and she'll be joining me tomorrow.
Very nice to meet you. Welcome to Nepal. Just so much pleased to welcome you.
So excited.
And Mary, I'm so happy you made it here. Nice seeing you. How are you? What are you doing out here? That looks amazing, huh? It's a really rainy day, guys. Kathmandu is covered with rain, water today.
Good morning, YouTube. We are out and about in Kathmandu. Today is the day before the wedding. So Dikpal and his family are quite busy getting all of the wedding preparations done. And I'm out with my mother. We spent the day running around town getting lost. But we decided to come to Garden. No, not Garden of the Gods. I don't know. We're in this garden and we're gonna take a look around. And we are on our way now to go and check out the venue for the first time. But here's my mother. Hello. She's adapting to Kathmandu well, but I think the traffic is still a little difficult for her.
That was interesting. I feel better though.
Explain the security situation.
I didn't understand a word they said. I just know we were stopped.
Nice, setting up the bar.
Most likely you'll be here earlier. You can sit down there inside. Request you to come over there.
Okay.
And you have to receive to Dikpal. Hold his hand and Dikpal will follow here. And they are making one stand here. One stand. There will be more decorative stand.
Dikpal and I will walk all the way to the red.
In wedding ceremony,
You have to wear this.
all of the ladies
Wear this time.
wear this one.
Looks great.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, cheers to the last day before I have a son-in-law.
Good morning, YouTube. Today is wedding day. It is 4:00 a.m. I'm going downstairs to meet Shreya so we can head to the beauty salon. Quite an early morning, but I'm very excited. I would be lying if I said I wasn't nervous, but let's go do the thing. It's almost wedding time. We're all dressed up. Yeah, all dressed up with no place to go. Look at my mom, her first time wearing a sari. So we are at the venue now. I'm in the bridal room. This is where I have to sit and wait until the wedding starts. So I'm just sitting here all alone. This is me, myself, and I, waiting to get married.
How are you? So it's a little bit. No worries. It's a little bit chaotic right now, but it's gonna calm down once they get to the worship. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
मेरो फेरि छैन हजुरलाई
न के भन्नु छ तपाईलाई गुरु
एकदम राम्रो भयो बिहा सम्पन्न भयो ठिक राम्रो भयो ल
धन्यवाद गुरु. Here you go. I hope this is working fine. Some candid shots.
Thank you. Thank you.
I've never eaten with so many cameras.
तरवार यो बग्गीलाई ए हुन्छ
What do you think about the part?
That's really cool.
मोहन दाई सबै ठिक छ पछाडि?
So we are in a horse cart, guys. Trying to go home
With the new bride.
How far are we from home?
We're like 15 minutes, but these horses run pretty fast.
Okay.
Like you'll be surprised how fast they can run.
Look at my hand.
Looks pretty cool.
Now the wedding festivities are over and it's time to count the money.
Gift.
Wow, it's a nice view. It has finally opened up.
I want to thank you all for joining in. I'm not sure if you noticed, but the 7 circles that you took on the wedding day symbolizes the 7 lives that you're bonded together now for. We wish you a lot of happiness and ever-growing love and support to each other in those 7 lives. So be prepared for the 7 lives together. And cheers, everyone.
Alright, thank you. Figures. Salute. Thanks, Fawzi. That was a great.
That was beautiful.
That was a really beautiful speech.
Cheers, and you.